Have you ever struggled to piece together a birthday video? It used to take time to drag photos into iMovie. Now, in 2026, creating a birthday video is a breeze with AI tools like Pictory. You can craft a sentimental video in under 40 minutes. Let's explore how to make one that will impress. First, you need to gather your materials. Start with 15 to 30 photos of the birthday person. Fewer than 15 look sparse. More than 30 can be too much. Choose a background song. Royalty-free for public sharing is best. Then, pick a video maker. Free options like Canva or CapCut are great, while AI-powered tools like Pictory can elevate your video with automatic narration and editing. Next, follow these steps to create your birthday video. Begin by organizing your photos. Arrange them in chronological order, or by theme for younger birthdays. Save them all to a single folder for easier access. Write short captions for each photo. Keep them to one line, using 5 to 8 words. Share a name, date, or quick memory, saving the most meaningful caption for the final frame. Select a song that fits the mood of the video. Use upbeat tunes for celebrations, or nostalgic melodies for milestone birthdays. Ensure the song matches the age and tone of the photos. Now, let's pick your video maker. For casual creations, Canva or CapCut work well. If you want AI narration, Pictory is your go-to. Choose based on the end result you envision. Upload your photos in order, add captions, and drag your chosen song onto the audio track. Most tools will fit the photo timing to the song length, but adjust individual photos as needed for emphasis. Preview your video before export. Ensure all captions are readable and the video flows well. Export in the right format based on where you'll share: 16:9 for TVs, 9:16 for phones, or 1:1 for group chats. To keep your video engaging, here are some tips. Keep it under 3 minutes. Aim for around 2. Start strong with your best photo to grab attention. Ensure the song energy matches the pace of your photos. Include captions for platforms that autoplay videos on mute. Finally, conclude with a personal message to the birthday person. A simple, "Happy birthday, love you," adds a heartfelt touch. Now you know how to create a memorable birthday video. Gather your photos, write your message, and watch as Pictory brings it all to life. For a great birthday video experience, give it a try today.